all the active trade that I gave, both signals and market overview that I break down to what is expected of the market, all of them played out, all, including the most recent one that gave over 500 pips, 400 pips, and 160 pips, making 560 pips. Right. In one of my videos, somebody said I should show and explain how I actually take my trade. Now, I'm using gold because on my channel, I post majorly gold and synthetic indices. So if you want me to do any other instruments, you can tell me that in the comment section, okay? But let's go look at gold. Why did I always make my decision and it seems as if I'm always right? Because if you have checked, I've given more than 30 signals on gold on my Telegram channel. You can go and fact check it. I don't edit the post. So if the posts were edited, then you will say maybe something was wrong. The posts were not edited, so you can go and fact check them. And only two, it stops. And now those two were pending order, were not active order. That's the only two trades that were stopped. All the active trade that I gave, both signals and market overview that I break down to what is expected of the market, all of them played out, all, including the most recent one that gave over 500 pips, 400 pips, and 160 pips, making 560 pips. Now, but that's not where we are. You want to know how I do those analysis. How did I get it done? All right. So let's dive into it. The first thing I always do is do my market overview, and I go to higher time frame. I go to daily time frame to know what is happening in the market, what is the trend. So I want to know what is overall trend. When I get to know the overall trend on a daily time frame, if I'm able to see it on a daily time frame, then fine. If I'm unable to see it on a daily time frame, then I'll go to a lower time frame. You can see now on the daily time frame, it's obviously uptrend. Now, fine and good, we already see uptrend. The next thing that I want to do is to mark levels that will be better for me to be waiting for entry. Because even though I see an uptrend, does not mean I can just buy anytime. So on a daily time frame, the only ideal point for me to be waiting to actually take trade will be here, this region, this region. These are the two regions. As simple as that. Now, I will not advise a pending order. I will advise an active trade. That, okay, when market react to those zones, you now make a decision. Now, what did I mean by react? Most of the time, everybody talks about this Bloomberg chart and all of that you will be able to see those who are buying and those who are selling, the price that people are ready to buy, the price at which people are ready to sell, like depending on that are not yet filled. Okay, but what about Japanese candlestick that you have access to? Did you even understand how this candlestick information, how to interpret it? The high, the low, the open, the close of the candle. They are telling you something. Look at this candle here. This bearish candle here. This bearish candle. It shows you that the market, sellers push the market down. But they fail to keep dragging the market. That is why you have wicks, the thread part of the candle. The part that is not the body. And you see the next candle was a bullish candle. But what is the information of this bullish candle? You see that it has wicks also. That wick tells you that sellers try to push the market again. But buyers did not just only push the market a little bit. They overcame by making the candle to end up being a bullish candle. That is a full information that you may skip, that you may not actually value. That is very important for your trading. Now, with that information, you can say, okay, there is strength in the bullish stuff at this particular time, that even though the market pushed down, the buyers overpowered the sellers. However, that became a point of interest for you as a trader. So you mark it as a point of interest, then you can go to a lower time frame and be waiting for the market to come and react to that zone. If the market reacts to that zone with the same way I just explained now, that there is a sell candle that touched that region, and that candle could not push below it with strength, that it fails by actually having wick. And the next candle, wait for the next candle. Now the next candle shows bullish, also with wicks. It tells you that buyers are now in charge. Then you can now take your trade from that region. It's just as simple as that, not that complicated. Now, if this thing still look a little bit complicated to you, then I will advise that probably you take training. Maybe you don't have knowledge around the market, because all this information I've broken it down. Okay, and I'm actually offering training at this period for just $40. You can actually enlist, and I will just train you on how to. And you will have access to me. You want recorded classes, you want live session, you will have any of those. Now, also, for those who are actually interested in my signal, remember, the signals are available for just $10 in a month. This is just a commitment fee to actually show your interest. It's more about actually helping the community. And for the people that just want to support the whole stuff, you will find the USDT address that is attached to this. You just want to, you appreciate what I've been doing for the community. You want to support so that we keep doing. You want to encourage us. You can just make that your donation to that USDT address or to my Skrilla address. Thank you very much. I will see you again in my next video.